All right, folks, this little doohickey right here, this little doohickey, it is a sniffer. Look, it's a combustible detector. What I do with this is I've got it right now calibrated to the settings at my house, which is about 2 miles away in Tierra Contenta. I was doing it because I wanted to see what the relative particle count was here versus where I live. Now that's going to get messed up, and part of doing these environmental assessments is making observations about the environment around you. Once again, my Native American brothers and sisters, there's nothing like your own body to detect issues in the environment, as we are living beings and part of the earth. And I listen to the beautiful stories that my folks tell me. And so I'm out here, I'm observing that there's a lot of fire smoke around here today. So this test is probably going to be inaccurate. Nevertheless, sometimes this thing will detect stuff. It detects leaks big time, like a gas leak in your house. But it also can detect these general changes from time to time, although one of the things I'm trying to look at more is detecting particle sizes, because that's a big deal, and dust is a big deal too. It can you can have particles in your lungs that are kind of big, and they can cause more problems than smaller particles. So we'll talk more about that, but let's go ahead, let this thing power up and warm up, and if it starts to holler, then you'll know there's a difference between out here and my house. Here we go. It's in warm-up mode. I think this takes about 10 or 15 seconds. This thing costs about 30 bucks. It's cheap, but I'm not trying to spend a lot of money. I'm just trying to learn some processes, build some processes so that we can all kind of participate as citizens in environmental monitoring. So it has warmed up. There's no difference. If there was a difference, I'm going to turn this thing up. That would come on, and that would show me that there is a difference. So at least that's not so bad. I'll conduct some other tests with you and take you around my community if you like this stuff. And you can also send me some feedback. Send it to James. I don't know, we'll start learning to communicate in various ways, but I want to listen to you and get your take on your local environment and what you want to do in the future. This is your friend Michael Bowers. Let me show you myself. Can I change this camera? Hey, I'll give you another picture of me. Out.